So how to freeze or unfreeze your Halifax card. So to freeze or unfreeze your Halifax card, if you open up the app, you'll just want to click on Manage Cards right here. Then once you've done that, it will open you up to this page here. And you just want to simply click on Freezes and Spending Limits. And then once you've done that, you'll be given this page here. And you can go ahead and decide how you want to freeze your card. So for simplicity, say if you want a full freeze, you just toggle this option here. And that will freeze your card so it will be locked and no one will be able to use it. And if you find your card again and you want to start using it, it's simply the same toggle to unfreeze your card, which will then unfreeze it and you can go ahead and start using it again. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.